is Arvind Kejriwal's personal secretary, his personal assistant, Bibhav Kumar. Delhi police are now on the hunt for Bibhav Kumar after damning FIRs. Will the cops summon Bibhav? Bibhav has the option to apply for anticipatory bail. He can approach a court for quashing of FIR. So those are the options that are available to Bibhav Kumar after the very serious charges that have been levelled against him by AAP Rajya Sabha MP Swati Maliwal. Swati Maliwal alleged that he abused her, he assaulted her, he slapped her 7 to 8 times, he hit her and kicked her in the chest, in the stomach, in the pelvis area with his legs. Now, Delhi police is on the hunt for Bibhav Kumar. Where is Bibhav Kumar? Nalini, my colleague, is now joining us live for more on this. Nalini, what are the options before Bibhav Kumar at the moment? Because the Delhi police has filed its FIR. We know the sections, you've been telling us about it. But what happens next in this case? While, of course, they collect CCTV footage, maybe question some of those who were present at the premises on the 13th of May morning. What happens as far as Bibhav is concerned?
Well, Paulami, the first thing that we need to understand is that the charges against Bibhav Kumar, who is the PS to Arvind Kejriwal, are very serious in the FIR. So because of the fact that the charges are serious, there are a lot of options that he maybe could have exercised. The idea of possibly a settlement or for the FIR to be withdrawn by Swati Maliwal after having discussions with her. But that might not be possible considering the serious nature of the charges that have been levied against him, including that of outraging the modesty of a woman. So essentially, there are two main options that are available to him at this point, speaking legally. Number one is that he can approach a court asking for the FIR to be quashed against him. To do that, he will have to prove before the court that the charges that have been mentioned in the FIR are false. And for that, he might also have to provide some evidence to prove that these charges are false. The second option that is available to Bibhav Kumar right now is to apply for anticipatory bail in the case, if he is in case apprehending arrest in the case. In that case, the court will look into as to whether or not how serious the charges are, and also if there is any possibility of him absconding. There is a possibility that the court might grant him anticipatory bail, but only if he is able to make out a case for it.